Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your story from specific people on Snapchat. So if you have a specific person you don't want to let them see your story, I'll show you how to do that. So first things first, open Snapchat and then click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you click on that, scroll down to your stories. Now here there are two things you can do, make a private story or edit your normal story. So to edit your normal story, click on the three dots to the far right of the story and then click on Story Settings. Once you click on that, here you will be able to choose who can see your story. If you click on Custom, you will be able to choose who you can block from your story. So here you check everybody that you don't want to be able to see your story. And once you do that, you click Block. Once you do that, then it will block these specific people from seeing your story. So that is the first way to not let people see your story. The second thing to do, if you want to only let specific people see your story, is click Add to Private. Now, once you click on that, you can edit the viewers for that story. So only the people that you choose for this story will be able to see the story. So you can choose whoever you want, and then once you choose the people, only those people, the people that you chose, will be able to see that specific story. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And add me on Tubasa Tech if you want to on Snapchat. And I'll see you guys next time.